How to add language in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your language. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this Like You button. Simply tap on Like You. Now, here on the right top, you can see this filter icon. Simply tap on this filter icon. Now, here on the bottom, there's an option called Select Languages. Tap on Select Languages and again select Add Languages. So here you can select the language that you know. So simply select the language that you want to add. Now here on the bottom you can see this save button. Simply tap on save and tap on save and you're all set to go. So these languages has been added to your profile too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.